Stop scrolling. You're about to witness the greatest snack robbery of all time. Picture this, a chill street vendor just doing his thing when suddenly, out of nowhere, a monkey swoops in like a furry ninja. He grabs a bag of snacks and bolts, dodging people left and right, snacks flying everywhere. And the best part, he looks back with that "yeah, I did that" face as he makes his epic getaway in slow-mo. The vendor's left speechless, the crowd's losing it honestly. This monkey's got more style than most action heroes. So next time you're snacking outside, keep an eye out. You might just get outsmarted by the world's cheekiest thief.